cybersecurity researchers have recently unveiled a malicious Google Chrome extension. This extension is designed to steal sensitive data linked to Meta Business Suite and Facebook Business Manager. It's called CL Suite, developed by @CL Masters. As of now, it has just 33 users. This extension claims to help with data scraping and two-factor authentication, 2FA generation. However, it secretly exfiltrates TOTP codes, business contacts, and analytics information to a backend controlled by the threat actor. The researcher Kirill Boychenko highlighted that while the extension requests extensive access to Facebook and Meta, it falsely states in its privacy policy that data remains local. The malicious extension transmits valuable information, including TOTP seeds and one-time security codes. This information flows to a remote server at GetAuth Pro, with an option to send data to a Telegram channel of the attacker. The extensive capabilities of CL Suite pose risks to any users relying on Meta business tools. Although the extension doesn't directly steal passwords, attackers might already have them from other breaches. They can then use the stolen codes to access victim accounts undetected. Notably, CL Suite collects unique codes and business metadata without consent. Simultaneously, another serious issue has surfaced where Chrome extensions are hijacking vContacte accounts. Approximately 500,000 users have been affected, as COI Security identified. This campaign, labeled VK Styles, uses seemingly harmless tools to manipulate users' accounts. This includes forced subscriptions and ongoing changes to account settings. The threat actor behind VK Styles has cleverly hidden malware in extensions such as VK Styles, themes for VK.com and others, allowing persistent control over victim accounts. Researchers have traced the malicious activity back to a GitHub user, 2VK, who utilizes VK's platform to distribute harmful tools. Furthermore, a group of 32 Chrome extensions claiming to be AI assistants is another ongoing threat. They aim to siphon sensitive user information, having been installed over 260,000 times. LayerX researchers noted that these extensions use remote, server-controlled functionalities instead of operating locally, revealing multiple vulnerabilities. The malicious extensions create overlays that can steal content and email information via a full-screen iframe overlay. This raises severe privacy concerns for users, particularly regarding the Gmail features embedded in the tools. The current situation illustrates the alarming trends in browser extension abuse. A recent report has showcased a staggering 287 Chrome extensions involved in exfiltrating browsing history, collectively installed 37.4 million times. Given these security risks, users should only install essential extensions from trusted sources. Regular audits of installed extensions can help identify malicious behavior. It's also wise to separate browser profiles for sensitive tasks and ensure that extension allow listing is in place to block harmful tools. To adapt to these challenges and protect your data, stay informed about the latest cybersecurity developments. Follow us on Google News, Twitter, and LinkedIn for more insights. Stay safe online.